Hi guys, welcome to the beehive. Today we'll be setting up the bottom part of our beehive, but first we gotta check out the goats like always. So I'll see you guys there. Alright, I'm at the goat pen, barn, whatever. We're just gonna feed them a little bit. Pellets. Have some, jeez. I know you're a hungry mama. Alright. Good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. You both are. Except you're a little afraid of me. I never come out here. Hardly ever. She likes me though. Oh, good girl. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? I know you're pregnant, but why are you scared? They don't have to be scared of me. I'm a good boy. Alright, everybody. So we're here at the beehive, and we're gonna set out the first layer of our beehive. And this will get us ready for when we put the bees in the beehive. So I got all my equipment that I have to put on right here. So the base. So that's done. So here's the brood box. This is where the queen and all the workers are going to be breeding inside, and where most of the beehive growth is going to be. This is where they also store their honey, and not the honey that we harvest. Here's some of the frames. It's got the hexagon pattern. And then the cover from now. And yes, this will get taller. The beehive will get taller with around different times of the year. It gets taller. And yeah. Alright. Back. We're back at the goats. I'm just gonna pet them. Hi guys. Yes. Maybe I should check if there's any eggs in the chicken barn. Let's go check if there's any eggs in the chicken barn. Hey guys, sorry it's dark in here. Oh, look at that. It's an egg. I got 2 eggs right now. Don't see any others. Alright. So, we're gonna end this video off right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.